Welcome to KCM-1, Iron Mountain's underground data center in Kansas City, Missouri. Minutes from downtown Kansas City, the facility is a 49,000 square foot purpose-built data center that is part of Iron Mountain's global data center portfolio. The data center offers up to 3.9 megawatts of potential power and is located 110 feet below ground for ultimate protection and security. The lobby is accessed underground via the secure access road. Federal-grade security throughout the data center utilizes physical and logical methods which include three-factor authentication, man-traps, vehicle crash barriers, CCTV monitoring, and more. Iron Mountain maintains one of the most comprehensive compliance programs in the industry. The facility has flexible and customizable co-location options to fit your specific needs. From single racks to customized suites, we provide a wide range of solutions in a readily available, scalable turnkey data center space. A limestone slab floor means there is a nearly unlimited floor load weight limit. Hot and cold aisle containment supports up to 20 kilowatts per cabinet and produces low PUEs. The facility has 3 data halls in operation. Additional data halls can be deployed quickly in adjacent space underground. All Iron Mountain data centers are powered by 100% renewable energy. Iron Mountain's Green Power Pass is a first for the industry. It gives customers the ability to include the power they consume at any of our global data centers as green power in their sustainability reporting. A block-redundant power distribution unit system provides power to critical IT hardware via diverse utility feeds from the nearby substation. Mechanical and electrical equipment is built to be concurrently maintainable. Multiple configurations for electrical and cooling are available at the data center with a standard 2N configuration for electrical and an N+1 configuration for the cooling infrastructure. The data center has a comprehensive fire suppression system. Critical spaces are provided with double interlock pre-action systems. Pre-action systems are released by electric and pneumatic means and use nitrogen as a supervisory gas to help prohibit corrosion. KCM-1 is carrier and cloud neutral with Meet Me rooms providing physically diverse connectivity to each data hall. Redundant dark fiber access to the nearby exchange at 1102 Grand connects you with the provider of your choice. The underground data center has a loading dock equipped with a leveler docker. Delivery paths provide easy loading of critical equipment to the data halls. Customers can utilize short and long-term storage on-site. Iron Mountain's Smart Hands service is available 24/7 to handle delivery of customer equipment. A break room, touchdown booths, temporary workspaces, and conference rooms are available for customer usage. If you're looking for a data center partner you can count on, contact us to learn more.